Today here in the video I've got a Logitech K4 2016 edition. This one's pretty much a full teardown to prepare for the swap. When this footage was filmed it was a rather busy Friday, and I didn't realise after completely tearing down the phone that the spare part I had was for the 2017 model, not the 2016 model. But overall this footage is still usable and still relevant. Overall with this particular swap there's no real tricks to it, just slow and time consuming, especially with around 10 screws in the back of it, which this is probably the slowest part of the actual swap. Other than using a bit of care lifting up the vibrating motor inside of it and the various parts that adhered, it's relatively straightforward to move this to a new LCD and frame assembly. Just make note, there's a 2016 model and a 2017 model. I've got the 2016 model here, ordered the 2017 model frame, and they're definitely not compatible at all. So just take note of that prior to ordering the part. Later on in the video I do attempt to actually put it into the other frame, which I quickly find out isn't possible at all. So from here on out I'll just let the video play out, and apologies for the hiss on the mic today. See ya!